Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix alarms not working after iOS 26 update. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up the clock application in your mobile device and then tap on alarms and make sure alarm is turned on. Tap on the alarm to open its settings and you need to check these things. Make sure you turn on the snooze or off. You can set repeat if you want and also make sure sound is selected. Sometimes the update changes these settings. After that, head back to your home screen, open up settings, scroll below, tap on sounds and haptics, and then make sure ringtone and alert volume is turned off. Also make sure your phone is not on silent mode. Alarms may not ring properly if the silent mode is turned on. And if it still does not work, it might be a small glitch. So hold the top volume button and the power button together, then slide to power off. Wait for your phone to go black and then restart it. Your alarm should work again. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.